We've dealt with this before, but it's really important to distinguish between when you have the actions of a menu system. When you have something selected, for example a plant such as this, I've selected that plant. If I now right click, up pops a menu that contains a list of commands that deal with editing that particular object. We can change its color, its layer, its on and whatever by the properties. We could erase the item or copy it or move it or scale it. So if I click scale for the sake of argument, the prompt says specify a base point and I drag out. I could rotate one of these if I wanted to, rotate, click in the middle and then just spin the symbol to try and get a little bit of organic nature to the design. So whenever, let's pick the wheelchair, whenever I select something and right click, up pops a whole lot of menu items related to doing something with that object. On the other hand, if I'm out in the black area or don't have anything selected at all and I right click, I get a totally different menu. I can zoom a window around a certain area in the drawing. Whatever's in the box now will be magnified. I can right click again, zoom extents, that shows me the whole drawing, right click again, go to drafting aids so I can get at polar tracking and my settings. Polar tracking is currently on. Our distance step is in fact 1 unit, and I'd certainly recommend changing that to a larger value. There's some grid settings and object snap settings. I've got endpoint active at the moment, which I did via the OSnap drop down. If I click off, that turns them all off. So can you see these pop-up menus are really, really important.